Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of America's most iconic and best-selling trucks of the 2025 Ford F-150. Whether you're using it for work, play, or family life, this truck continues to set the benchmark for toughness, innovation, and comfort. Let's walk through the latest updates and features that make the 2025 model year truly impressive. Body panels. The 2025 F-150 maintains its rugged aluminum alloy body construction, reducing weight without compromising strength. It's designed to withstand daily punishment, from job sites to backroads. With muscular, squared-off shoulders, a higher belt line, and new trim-specific accents, it looks even tougher than before. Ford offers a range of bed and cab configurations to match every lifestyle, including standard, super cab, and super crew models. Headlights. Up front, you'll notice redesigned LED headlights that now come standard across all trims. The lighting signature is bold and modern, with C-clamp daytime running lights adding visual width and a distinct identity. On higher trims, the adaptive headlights swivel into turns and automatically adjust brightness for oncoming traffic, enhancing safety during night drives. Taillights. The taillights have also been refreshed for 2025 with updated LED graphics and improved visibility. They're positioned high on the tailgate corners for maximum effectiveness even with gear loaded up. A sequential lighting animation gives the truck a modern flair during startup or when unlocking. Grille. Each trim gets its own grille design, ranging from blacked-out mesh on the STX to chrome-heavy finishes on the Lariat and Platinum trims. The active grille shutters help manage airflow and improve fuel efficiency by reducing drag at highway speeds. There's also an optional front camera tucked in for those who choose the 360-degree camera system. Seats. Inside the F-150, comfort meets functionality. You'll find available max recline front seats that fold nearly flat, perfect for a midday break or overnight job sites. Premium leather, heating, cooling, and massage features are available on higher trims, while cloth and durable vinyl seats serve well on work-oriented models. Rear seat space in the Super Crew is vast, with flip-up bottoms that reveal a flat-load floor and hidden storage. Dashboard. The dashboard layout is modern, clean, and ergonomic. Ford's attention to detail is evident in the materials, with soft touch surfaces and bold contrast stitching. A customizable 12-inch digital gauge cluster is available, giving drivers full control over the information they see from towing metrics to off-road telemetry. Infotainment system. The F-150 comes with Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, featuring either a standard 12-inch touchscreen or an optional larger unit depending on trim. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, real-time navigation, and even cloud-based voice commands. The system is fast, intuitive, and built to keep you connected whether you're working or off-roading. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is multifunctional and intelligently designed. It houses buttons for media, cruise control, and even drive mode selection. On select trims, it's heated up great for those early winter mornings and pairs with paddle shifters and sportier configurations. Its feel is sturdy and confidence-inspiring, just like the truck itself. Engine. Ford offers a wide range of engines to meet every need. You've got the reliable 3.3 liters V6 for basic utility, a 2.7 liters EcoBoost for efficiency with punch, a powerful 5.0 liters V8 for classic towing strength, and the high-output 3.5 liters EcoBoost in the Raptor. Each engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and adapts to terrain and load conditions for optimum performance. Hybrid option. The Power Boost Hybrid returns in 2025, combining the 3.5 liters EcoBoost engine with a 35 kilowatt electric motor. It offers 430 horsepower and 570 pounds-feet of torque, enough to tow over 12,000 pounds. But what really sets it apart is the built-in ProPower onboard generator system, which provides up to 7.2 kilowatts of power. That's enough to run a full job site or a tailgate party with ease. Airbags. Safety is front and center. The 2025 F-150 comes standard with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and curtain airbags. There's also a new front center airbag to help reduce collision impact between passengers. Paired with Ford's high-strength steel safety cage, it gives peace of mind on every trip. Parking Assist. Ford's available Active Park Assist 2.0 makes tight parking a breeze even in a full-size truck. With just a push of a button, the system controls steering, acceleration, braking, and gear shifting during parallel or perpendicular parking. Add to that the available 360-degree camera, rear sensors, and trailer backup assist, and you've got one of the most maneuverable trucks in the segment. Price. The 2025 Ford F-150 starts at around $38,000 for the base XL trim and climbs upward depending on options and configuration. Expect the Lariat models to begin around $55,000, while fully loaded Platinum and Limited trims can reach $75,000 plus. The hybrid Power Boost option adds about $2,500 over a comparably equipped gas model. Closing note. So whether you need a dependable workhorse, a tech-savvy family hauler, or a trail-ready hybrid, the 2025 Ford F-150 delivers. It's built tough, loaded with smart features, and continues to define what a modern truck should be. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dive reviews. Got questions or thoughts about the new F-150? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear what you think.